guys, welcome back to another motivational video. In this video, we're going to be cleaning the kitchen and some other places in the house that have been neglected. It seems like every time I turn around, there's always dirty dishes in my sink, stuff on the counter. I feel like I can never get my kitchen cleaned. This poor table, it's really been through it. I cannot count how many times that I have spilled nail polish remover on it. That's why it looks so bad. One day I'm going to be brave and I'm going to sand it down, and I would love to stain it a dark black. Well, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. In case you're wondering, this time I decided to mop my floors with Murphy's Oil Soap. I like to switch it up from sometimes I use Lysol, sometimes I use Murphy's Oil Soap, and sometimes I will do a little bit of bleach water. Just depends on my mood and what all's happened on my floors from the last few days. Now let's tackle the microwave. A quick tip: if you put some water in a bowl and put it in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes to create some steam, it will loosen all the grime and food particles on the walls of the microwave and will make for an easy cleanup. And if your microwave has like a weird funky smell, like if you've cooked some bacon or something in it, you can put vinegar in the water that you boil in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes and it'll help with the smell as well. So next on my to-do list was to tackle this oven. It is not a self-cleaning oven, as you can see. I have not been able to get oven cleaner around here for a really long time. I'm not sure if everybody's cleaning their oven or what's going on with that. So I looked up some different tips on how to clean your oven, and one of them was baking soda and vinegar, and to let it sit on that. I used that method. I couldn't tell it did anything, and then I tried just some good old dish soap, thinking that that would help with the grease, and I could not see any difference in that either. I let this set on this forever, and I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed some more, and it did not do any good. So if anybody has any tips on how to clean an oven without oven cleaner, please leave below. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I hope it's giving you motivation to clean your own house. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to treat yourself. After a day of cleaning, I decided to take it Epsom salt soak, lit a candle, and had myself a nice relaxing soak in the tub. So just remember to thank your body for what it's allowed you to do today.